Hi children. In the last video, I started the lesson The Harappan Civilization in the earliest cities. In that lesson, I explained you how this civilization get the name Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. What are the specialties of the cities? How did they divide the cities and definition of the citadel and Mohenjo-daro? You have to find out the Great Bath. You discussed these are all things in the last video class. In this video, I explained you. I want to explain you how did they construct the houses, drains, streets, some other points. Okay, let us come to the lesson houses, drains, and streets. Already I explained in the last video. Archaeologists found some of the sites, Great Bath in Mohenjo-daro. According to that, some of the Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, and Kalibangan, these cities also, the archaeologists have found so many um, things, sources about those sources explains the greatness of the Indus Valley civilization. The cities Kalibangan and Lothal, the archaeologists had found the fire altars. Fire altars were the sacrifices many have been performed, and they celebrated some of the sacrifices also. Sacrifices, they put some of the things on a table or something which are offerings are made to the god. And some places like Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, and Lothal, they found elaborate storehouses also. In these are all cities, the archaeologists observed how did they construct the houses, drains, and streets. Generally, houses were either one or two stairs high. Nowadays, we constructed one stairs building and second, third, like that. But in the olden days, nearly 4,700 years ago, they constructed the houses were one or two stairs high buildings with rooms built around a courtyard. Most houses had a separate bathing area and some had well to supply water. They had a separate rooms in their houses, and bathing area is also constructed by those people. Every house had a separate bathing area. Nowadays also some areas they did not have separate bathing area in their houses. Now our government implemented some of the schemes. We will give some of the money to you. With that money you construct those bathing areas in your houses. But in the olden days, nearly 4,700 years ago, those members constructed the separate bathing area in their houses, and some had wells. Some members had wells also, and to supply water. Many of these cities had covered drains, and drains nowadays also some of the drains are not proper in our cities. But in the olden days, so many years back, these people well developed in the drainage system. They covered with drains in houses were connected into those onto the streets, and smaller drains led into the bigger ones. house drains all are connected into the street drains all are connected into the bigger drains. Okay, as the drains were covered inspection holes, and now your drainages all are fully opened. When the rain will come, all the water overflow from the drains. But in the olden days, these drainages were covered with inspection holes. Then some of the were provided at intervals to clean them. These are all covered with um, cement, whatever may be. But in some areas, inspection holes are there. They opened that hole, and one member go down into that drain, and he cleaned that full drain after he come up. So such type of inspection holes were provided at intervals to clean them. So such type of drainage system is there in their olden days. So all three houses, drains, and streets were probably planning at the same time. So compared to nowadays drainage system and olden days drainage system, which is better? Your answer is, I know very well, the olden days drainage system is better. Yes, the olden days um, drainage system is better than for us. Next, how did they live? What is the life in the city? Life in the city of Harappan. A Harappan city was very busy place. It was all the people are busy with their works. There were people who planned the construction of special buildings in the city. So many people all are planning to construct the special buildings in the city. How we are constructing a nice building in this area? Special. They want something special in those. With these ideas, these people all are busy. All the members are constructing some of the buildings, and all the members are busy with their works. Rulers sent people to distant lands to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. If you want to construct a building, you want so many things. Raw material you want. Such type of for the special buildings, they want some of the metals, some of the stones. They decorated those houses with metals and precious stones. That's why rulers who are ruling that area, kings, those kings send some people to long distances to get the metals and precious stones and other things what they want, if they what type of things they want for construction of that buildings. Those are all things you go and bring. Those are all things. The rollers sent some of the people for long distances to get metal, precious stones, and other things that they wanted. They may have kept in most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold and silver and beautiful beads for themselves. They may have kept the most valuable, these are all most valuable sources, objects. What are those? Gold, ornaments of gold and silver, or beautiful beads for themselves. Next, and there were scribes along with them. Scribes are also there in those days. What is the meaning of scribe? Scribe means copier. Scribe means copier. What is the duty of scribe? Means a person who copied out a document. That person is known as scribe. He is seeing one paper and he is copying in another paper. That person is called a scribe. People who knew how to write, who helped prepare the seals and perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. scribes know very well how to write. These people help to kings how to prepare the seals, and perhaps wrote on other materials that have not survived. They are noting down in some plates that have not survived. They live a long life. People were traveling to distant lands or returning with raw materials and perhaps stories. People were traveling for a long lands and returning. How did they come back? With raw materials and perhaps some of the stories. What did they bring? The terracotta toys found have a long time ago. Children must have played with these. In olden days, children played with the terracotta toys. Terracotta toys all are very nicely designed by those people. That picture is given in your textbook. See, children. Okay, children, in this video, I explained the city life, which type of people are live. So many, all the people are busy with their works and scribe these terracotta toys. How are the children played? What are the playing items of the children? We discussed in this video. In the next video, I explain about the archaeologists object new crafts in the city. Okay, bye.